Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and tonight is Tiny Whoop night here in Longmont, Colorado, and we have a full house here tonight. We've got a total of, I think, around 20 pilots flying Tiny Whoops. So we've got 6 heats, and I apologize, my camera will not focus in on me. There we go, there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys around so you can kind of take a look and see at our awesome track here. So tonight's track starts here, and then we go through our start gate, and then we come around through here. We go through this big long gauntlet, and then up through here, and then right through here, zigzag through here, we come around, and then next what we do is we come through this door here. You got to really quick, you got to go here, and then we're going to go straight down there. Then we're going to hit that gate, come around, and then we're going to go through this gate right here, take a hard right, go up through here, and then through here, and then we're going to be zigzagging through here, and then right through there, and then back around again.